See, Gui and Tony, the other day, last time we played, before we got off, they quickly went and, oh my god. They hit up a surplus store. Grabbed some of the loot, but they didn't grab all of it. Okay. We can figure this out. Okay. Okay, come on, next. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, they're starting to group up a little bit now. Not ideal. Nice hairdo. Oh god! That attack takes way too long. I don't like that attack. Nope. Okay, there's quite a few of them. Don't panic, buddy. Don't panic. We got this, boys. Kristen, how's it going? Oh my god. Nope, that attack. I don't do the attack, please. Ah, frick. We're the farmer guys. We can do this. There's a knife right there. Okay, hold on. That guy's got some ranger clothes on. I need that. I need that. Excuse me, sir. I need your clothes. Whew. We did it, boys. That was pretty clean, to be honest. Okay. You know what? Let's just put this in the trunk here for now. We got our ranger pants on now. Yeah, I was sitting on the couch. Just right click on it and click sit. Like, watch this. Hold on. Oh. Okay. Don't do that. Yo, you guys. I just found something interesting. Come to the front of the store quick. Inside. If you ever see a box of this cereal, open them up because I just got a dancing card that teaches me how to dance from opening that up.
Cool.
The fuck?
Yeah.
You want dance? I wanna shake my booty.
Okay, here I'll let you read it. Here you go.
Like a teenage girl.
I think I found some. I think I put in your car. Let me grab them. Yeah, I found two.
Oh? Oh yeah? Uh-huh. Yeah? Okay. Look at my moves. Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah, okay. Uh-huh. Yeah, I'll go low. Yeah, drop it low, bro.
Damn, he's having too much fun.
I dropped one on the floor if someone wants to special dance.
Damn, you're just missing out on a fucking party.
What button is it again?
Hold Q.
Oh?
This game is perfect. No flaws.
Yo.
Zero.
Hey, yo, where's Smurfy?
This is the only reason I play this game. Yeah, where is Smurfy?
What was? Do you guys hear that alarm?
No.
Guys, there's an alarm going. They're like a tornado siren in game. Guys, get in your vehicles. I don't know what that means.
Well, what the fuck?
Get in your vehicles! Tony, drive back to base. Just go, just go. I'll wait with Gui. Dude, that siren is going to be drawing zombies in. Gui, you have to get out here now or I'm fucking leaving you.
Fucking running.
What was that? Oh my god. Corn, keep an eye out the front of the base. What the fuck? Fine, just turn around. We'll go this way. Corn, be at the front of the house and be ready to open the gate for us when we get there. All right, everybody, let's go to the front gate. We gotta run a mission quick. Corn, do you have a car jack in your lug wrench? Make sure.
Wait, what? I have a lug wrench here.
Do you have a car jack too?
I think I'll grab it.
Oh my god!
Uh,
Jesus, get inside! Fuck it! What the fuck was that?
What
Oh my god! Holy, what the fuck, dude? Okay, is this your truck right here? That's the Tony Mobile. Alright, Tony, I'm drawing him in. Holy shit! Is that you? No way that's you. No fucking way! No, I think that might be your body. How did you die when the server was up? Were you getting mauled? Holy fuck. Yeah, no fucking way, dude. Your boy is currently in a lot of trouble, though. Why was he growling like that? What the fuck, bro? Oh my god! Dude, I don't know how I'm supposed to fight this to clear your body, but I'm gonna give it my damnedest, Tony. Holy fuck. Oh! Fuck. Oh my god. Alright, we might be in a bit of a situation. I'm gonna do what I can. But it's not gonna be easy. Holy shit! A new horde just spawned. Oh my god. Oh god. I'm getting exhausted. Fuck, I can't even climb that fence, dude. I can't get in my vehicle because it takes too long to start. Fuck, I'm gonna have to just run for it. We'll come back for his stuff. Oh my Jesus Christ! Oh my god, Tony, your vehicle drew in more of them! Oh shit! Tony, we're in a bad situation, buddy. You brought in like 2 more hordes. Oh my god, Tony! Oh my fucking god! Okay, okay, I'm gonna run back to the base. We'll regroup with Corn, and then we'll go. Oh my god!
While we're here, I might as well rob this. Gonna rob the car.
Hold on, let's clear it out first.
If you want to crouch and run, it makes less noise. Ooh, a car. I just held my hand on the F key that whole time, so. The hat.
Yeah, I don't know what kind. Oh, it is a ranger hat. No way.
Yeah, see? Let's go. There's
All right,
some zombies
let's
inside.
finish this. I'm gonna go kill the 3 that are over here. Somebody go kill the 2 in front of my vehicle.
Is this your car? Standard kills.
Yeah, what the fuck,
Wait,
dude?
this is a person.
Yeah, this
Caballeros.
was Tony's other person.
Oh. That's funny. Free chips, though.
Oh yeah, Tony, here's some of your stuff right here.
Wanna go in here, guys? Or what is this?
Yep, we're slowly working on it. What's up?
Do me one favor.
What?
Tell my kids I love them.
Won't guess? What the hell is that? Oh my Jesus! What was that?
It was bleach.
The heck? What the fuck is this?
Goodbye, Spurvy.
Oh shit. Jesus! Get away from my radishes! Goddamn animals. Hey, dead people don't talk. I guess I just have to build it right here. Dude, this is so dumb that it won't let me build it anywhere except here. Oh my god. What? Yo, that was insane. That was so fucking weird. Alright, you get to dance up there. I get. Oh! Did you just fucking die? Did he just fall and fucking die? What in God's name?